तो आज हम खेलने वाले नो आई एम नॉट ह्यूमन। ओके अबे ये क्या है? इट सीम्स दैट समवन हैज कम टू सी यू। ओके बाथरूम में जाना है। ओके तो कहाँ से आया तुम? कौन है देखते। ठीक है, आई एम हर्ड ऑफ पीपल बीइंग किल्ड बाय अदर्स पीपल। तू ही होगा जो सबको मार रहा होगा। तेरी शक्ल पे ही मुझे दिख रहा है। व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन आउट देयर? इट्स सेफ टू लुक आउट द विंडो एट नाइट। नहीं देखना है मुझे। And I have recommended it that way you get at least realize what surrounds your house. Okay, it's hard to look out during the day. It gets very hot and the light hurts my eyes. Wait, what? Hey, is it better not to live now? Let's summarize. अबे कितना बोलेगा जाना? I will sleep in your kitchen tonight, है? And tomorrow you can do it yourself. Come and see me in the afternoon and we will talk. ये तो सुबह हो चुकी है। ये दरवाजा हो गया। ये क्या है यहाँ पे? ये वाला नहीं दिखा। अबे अच्छा ये आके बैठा था ना। और क्या रहा अबे? थप्पड़ मारोगे? Grandma commanded every cabinet full of dishes. Only pulled out the fancy set of holiday. Now whom the and hell needs it? It's locked. Okay. ये नंबर दबाता हूँ। आप कुछ नहीं हो रहा है। अबे क्या नाक से बोल रहा है? क्या है? Loneliness and isolation. I think I gotta better talk to my neighbors first. Okay. Did you see the night newscast? It's a nightmare. अबे सबसे बड़ा nightmare तो तू ही है मेरे घर में अभी। बोलो ना। Okay. Go to the kitchen. Have a cold ones from the fridge. We'll use all of them. Okay. By the तो जाना गया नहीं अभी है। कोला किधर है? कोला तो कोला है ही नहीं। यही कोला है। मजा आ गया। मस्त था कोला। बेडरूम में जाके हो जाऊंगा। रात होगी। ये अभी भी है या गया? काउंट करता हूँ। हाय हाँ इज माई डैड हियर? यू कॉल कैन यू कॉल हिम? हैव अ गुड टाइम। आई एम कॉलिंग डैड फॉर यू। गुड लक। हैव गुड टाइम एंड गुड लक टू यू टू। एनीवे आई विल शो यू लेटर। गुड बाय। ओके चल निकल। अभी सोने दो मुझे आराम से। ये क्या करना है अभी? कोई ऑब्जेक्ट तो दो। काम करता हूँ मैं यहीं पे रहता हूँ। कैन आई कम इन? नहीं तेरी शक्ल देख के मुझे डर लग रहा है। I was hiding in the pub but I was kicked out. ओके तो मैं क्या करूँ? I am not everyone can handle my temper. मुझे हैंडल नहीं करना है। What do you think? Will you let me in? You are not a visitor and you are you sure there won't be any trouble with you? Are you? You are not a visitor and you okay? बोल अभी जल्दी बोल। कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है। I was thinking to tell you something offensive but I in my mind. Okay. I told your people just felt uncomfortable with me. There were all sort of weirdos. अरे अभी तू ही तो बोल रहा है तुझे क्यों आने दूँ मैं अंदर? And I think about it maybe it was for the best that we kicked me out. Okay तो मैं भी करूँगा वैसे तेरे साथ। Those who haven't eaten me alive and not noticed. You better leave. Okay. I understood. Chal, I understand you, but I'm angry. You are just as much as of coward as everyone else here. Okay, कोई बात नहीं मुझे गुस्सा नहीं आ रहा है। Sleep well at night, homeowner. I hope you are doing fine. चल निकल। ये मैं चुपचाप जाके सो जाता हूँ यार। I can't sleep now. What if someone? काम करो। अगर मैं यहाँ पे देखूंगा तो ही विजिटर आएगा ना। अगर मैं देखूँ ही ना तो भाई क्या था ये? जब मैं देखूंगा वापस कोई होगा। आई फील द डर्टी ऑरा ऑफ दिस प्लेस। ये तो मुझे विच लग रही है। इसे तो मैं आने ही नहीं दूंगा। इफ यू लेट मी इन आई कैन क्लींस योर होम फ्रॉम द इम्प्योरिटी। हु आर यू? कैन यू क्लींस माई हाउस माई होम? सॉरी हु आर यू? Who am I? तो बताना। I am a spiritual guide here to clean this place of any darkness or impurity. I sense a heavy unclean aura and I am here to purify the space if you will allow me. नहीं allow करूँगा। सबसे मुझे तो तू ही सबसे बड़ी impurity लग रही है यहाँ पे। Please let me do what I can to restore balance and peace to this area. Come in, निकल। What do you mean? You won't let me in? Yes. This place is full of dark energy that needs to be pure immediately. सबसे बड़ी डार्क एनर्जी तू ही है। तू ही देखो काला पहन के आई है। तू निकल यहाँ से। Foolish mortal, you have no idea that the danger that lurker within these walls. Your ignorance and arrogance will be your undoing. यार ये तो डरा के गई। देखते अब कौन आया। सोना पड़ेगा अभी जाके। दिन होने आई। Good morning aliens people, emergency from underground. You know it's isn't a sci-fi story or a tabloid headline. Eyewitnesses report contact with visitors around the city. One witness encountered a middle-aged man who had perfectly white teeth. ये तो नहीं आया था. It turned out he was one of the visitors. Similar incident with visitor supports perfect teeth have been observed. So if you want to identify them, check their teeth. Please stay alert and calm now. Let's move on to the other news. Okay. If you stop this person, flee immediately. Okay. If he knows where you live, do not stay home alone. His victims are solitary homeowners or else. अच्छा यही आया था तभी. Or else you better off not stay alone home. Okay. किसी के साथ रहना है, अकेला नहीं रहना. जैसे मैं देखूंगा कोई यहाँ पे होगा. ओ हाय, इसके तो दांत ही नहीं दिख रहे. You see what's going on? What the heck? How's it going on down here? What do you need? What's going on? What do you need? Just curious, that's all. Okay. Among Us. But actually I've got a little scheme. You could easily make a money. No, with the sun feeling as good, you can make money without even trying. And all the losers are scared of something, but you need just to hustle. Did you come to me? What are you offering? Alright, what else is there? We gotta make plan while we can. To the hell with the sun. Keep moving, you know. Let's go. Shall we? Come in. इससे तो अंदर आने नहीं दे सकता क्योंकि ये दांत नहीं दिखा रहे. So better leave. You are an idiot, but whatever. I don't give anything about you. Okay, fine. I will go to other neighbors then. तो निकल. मैं फिर से देखूंगा. फिर से कोई और होगा. Hello. Anyone alive in here? Mind letting me in? Don't bang on my door. I ran like hell and didn't look back. Didn't dare to go home. Figure it's safer in the crowd. You better leave. यार दांत देखने को बोला लेकिन ये तो दांत नहीं दिखा रहा है. तू भी निकल. डरा रहा है. Oh, I thought no one was home. It's so quiet at night. Are you looking for something? Have you been watching the house? ये हंस क्यों रहा है बुढ़ा? क्या देख रहे हो? What? No, of course not. In situation carried out of control that have entire hospital was shut down. It's pure chaos in there now. Come on, you better leave. काम कर इसको बोल. I hope I can help you. Yeah, it seems no one else with come with this night. ये गया कहाँ है? यहाँ पे कुछ तो था ना? नहीं यही था. नहीं यही था. अबे कहाँ गया? अबे on a past running a man as a pale death itself. Their skin seems to be too big for him. You can't see his eyes from here, but you can feel his drilling you within his grave. You feel fear and pray to God that a creepy visitor will avoid the house. Okay. Hazmat and suit. FEMA special committees started functioning recently, but they have discovered a new visitor. The FEMA specialist committee expert believe that the beside teeth visitor can be identified by a dirty dot under. Call करना था. का नंबर क्या था? 215159. Call. Hey neighbor, you saw what happened out there and those teenagers got killed. I thought the street wasn't that dangerous. I guess I was wrong. My daughter talked me into going out to play again. It didn't seem too bad until I saw the body. That's the last time I risked her life like that. Okay. But I will never forgive myself if something happened to her. She's my whole world. Is your daughter okay? Be careful. Call and who killed them? It was the pale tall thing. I thought it only killed people who stayed inside. I thought I had it under the control. I figured if he ever saw that silhouette, he would head straight back home. But I didn't think about what else she might see. You know, okay, be careful who killed him. काम कर थोड़ा पी के सो जाता है. एक कॉकरोच था अंदर. लेकिन वो बुढ़ा कहाँ गया जिसे मैंने अंदर आने के लिए बोला था? अबे ये यहीं पे. What's causing the catch? What do you think about killing? A really good question. I look at everything from a scientific point of view, but unfortunately we have no way of knowing what's really. I would be interested to know who is the visitor really are. If we live to see, my duty is to save the life on wounded and sick. Not to rush at people with guns and to stop them. I can only say for myself that I took an Hippocratic oath and will never initially cause harm to the people. So I everyone I can. लेकिन हाथ क्यों नहीं दिखा रहा है? तो गड़बड़ है इसमें. इसको बाहर नहीं भेज सकते क्या? काम करता हूँ. मैं भी सो जाता हूँ. डेली यही काम है. उठो कोला पे और सो जाओ. ओ ये कैसे मर तो नहीं गया? दरवाजा खटखटा रहा है. देखते। यही तो है। How's it going here? Is everything okay? Yeah. Why are you ignoring my question? Wait, what do you want? Son, haha. Just curious, you are just reading someone's fortune, promising salvation to some, running some away. Are you alone in the house? I have people taking shelter here. I have people taking shelter. You are lucky tonight. You can hear someone whispering in your room, but who knows what will happen tomorrow. धमकी दे रहे आ तू फिर से कोई आ रहा है. गुड नाइट. Okay, I am from FEMA crew. We are here to help you. You come alone. How can I trust you? You must have seen a news where there. I can also show my ID. How will you help us? Why are you wearing a hazmat suit? Are you getting one of those? How will you help us? Okay, first we have to do some investigation. Based on the result, I will be able to take further action by notifying the management. You just need to wait a little. What's next? Do you have a plan? I will take one man from you. I will have him back soon. It's for examination. Might have been exposed to solar radiation. We will measure it on one person. Can be anyone. What's next? Wait. Either we will wake you from the dangerous area or we will bring the man back to you. We will issue instruction either way. Now I am taking the man from you. Will go. Goodbye. अबे वो चला गया. फिर से कोई आया. Hey, what's up around here? What's the vibe? I'm not from around here. Just chilling. Dude, can you explain what's going on? A sunburn, everything. Oh man, who's visitor? I have seen this is in movie like 100 times. It's like a zombie apocalypse, and now we need someone to fly to the sun and save us. But hey, how about I come in and we just chill for a bit? We could use a break. You better leave. के दांत तो नहीं दिखा रहे, नाखून के नीचे कचरा भी नहीं है, तू अंदर आ. No, you are really chill dude. Hey, someone else will come tonight. Okay. Good morning dear viewer. This is a morning news. Photograph visitors result in severe blurring in a photo. This effect can only be observed with the film camera. Unfortunately, the reason for this is phenomena have not been determined yet. Okay, however, FEMA urges citizens to use this new information to identify the visitors. Please stay alert and come along. Only today, if you order an Aura camera, if you buy 2 rolls of film for your camera, the third one will be free. Okay, and of course, we will deliver everything with और फ्री शिपिंग फॉर यू हैव ऑर्डर इन और कैमरा सिम्स इट शुड बी. ये कहाँ गई? जब बुलाया था ना, इधर होगी. यहाँ भी नहीं. ये मैन जस्ट स्टे एंड वॉच आउट. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट हिम? आई नीड टू चेक ऑन यू. ओके, यस कूल डूड आई गेस. ओके, अब एक कॉकरोच आ रहे. ओके, 4 काम करते इस आदमी को करते कॉल. 159 कॉल. never thank for calling. Honestly, I'm still. If I need to ask something for you, if something happens to me, promise me you will look after my daughter. Can't promise anything. Yeah, I promise. Thank you neighbor. I knew I could count on you. Alright, I gotta go. Stay strong. Okay. कैमरा ऑर्डर किया था. कहाँ पे कैमरा? तो आया नहीं. मुझे लगता है मुझे कोला पीना, सो जाने. ये हट, तुझसे बात नहीं करो. What do you wanna check, dude? Teeth. Sure, let me show you. Wait, what's happening now? Dude, seriously? Dude, whoa, wait. क्या हुआ ये क्या मैंने तो मारता था या नहीं मारना था? काम करता हूँ, कोला पे के सो जाता हूँ. लेकिन मुझे ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है शायद मैं खुद ही एक विजिटर हूँ जो किसी को मार के उसके घर में रह रहा हूँ शायद. व्हाट इफ समवन कम्स हियर लुकिंग फॉर शेल्टर. ओके, आता है तो आने दे, मरने दे, हमको क्या है. पता है, आ रहा हूँ. What's up for you? Thank you for working during those time. What's order place arrived? Let me take a look. मेरा camera was ordered to your address. Yes, I ordered it. Okay. Have a good night. Yeah, yes, I ordered it. Have a nice day. Or rather, have a nice night. I just not used to working at night yet. Okay. Hello. अबे ये तो दिखी भूत की तरह है. Sorry for disturbing you so late. It's just too hot during a day. Then the TV said it better out to go out in the sun. Please tell me it's gonna be alright soon. इससे क्या करूँ यार? बस कैमरा था ना. Oh yeah. Anyway, thanks for listening to me. Okay, I guess I will move on then. Yeah, bye. Bye. मेरे पास कैमरा था ना. Hello, are you hysterical? Did something happen? No. हा. ये तो दांत भी नहीं दिख रहे, हाथ भी नहीं दिख रहे. My dad. हा. killed my dad. Why did they do that? Drink some water. Who did this? Drink some water. I don't know. Okay, they were quietly sitting with dad within kitchen, and then they did something and they set the house on fire. And I was running. They were just laughing. Come on in. I'm scared. Okay. मेरे पास तो कैमरा है ना. ये अभी कहाँ बैठी होगी? यहाँ पे तो नहीं होगी. काम करता हूँ. बाहर खिड़की से बाहर देख लेता हूँ. The entire squad of soldiers who were there yesterday are dead. Bodies are strewn all over the street and one of bodies is missing a head. Did the pale creepy stranger kill them? You are horrified by the picture of carnage and you feel in danger. लेकिन उसने तो कहा था कि उसने उन लोगों ने उसके पाप को मार दिया. काम करता. मैं कॉल करके पूछ लेता हूँ. कैमरा था. कैमरा कहाँ है? भी देखते उस लड़की को. कहाँ पे वो लड़की? यहाँ होगी शायद. अच्छा. Is the end Nia? What do you think about Fema? I need to check on you. Okay. Where is my dad? I don't know. Antique photo. Another one. Not really into photography. Will you show me the photo later? Okay. Didn't like it. Don't ask me to take any picture more. यार फोटो ही नहीं देखा मैंने. क्या मैं आउट यू नो वेयर इज डैड राइट? विल ही कम? काम करते इसको फोन करके पूछ लेते. सच में बेटी तो है इसकी या ये भी विजिटर है? इनवैलिड मतलब सच बोल रहे हैं. ठीक है. कोला पियो सो जाओ. आई विल ड्रिंक इनफ कोला. आई शुड गो टू द बेड. ठीक कोई आने वाला है. गुड इवनिंग. Okay, we are with the family team. We need to do a survey on your neighbor. The man you took isn't enough. The man you took in the what's about the separate last one? The result were too mixed. Okay, we are not sure of the result yet. The sample was too small. वे पूरा एक आदमी दिया था. क्या sample was too small? Do you want to take someone else? Why was one not enough? The sample is too small. Boss first said to take one at a time, but now we can see that we need a more. So we went out again. Alright, if there is no other way, no, I'm not invested in those examinations. You don't get it. We didn't give you a choice. You are just doing our job. Can't say no. We'll do what we need to do at least and leave. Entire squad of soldiers who were here yesterday are dead. We met again. Abhi mein gaya. Do you think that one in a soon? I don't know how to feel about him. He's doing his job. Alright. These are the times, aren't they? Have you got to be careful? Is that okay? Can you leave? They're kind of busy, so you come later back. Yeah, sure. I didn't think you had any trouble last time to me. Just first two alone. What's it? You're all alone. The sun has burned everyone you knew. You have either got nobody at home or my body. How did this happen? Did you turn out to be the most vicious beast? Well, come here. You are gonna get what you deserve. Pale visitor got here. I was alone at home. The terrible visitor didn't bother with the formality. He came in, snapped my neck. Now it's all over now. No more pain, no more fear. Maybe it's for the best that it happened. तो क्या मर गया मैं?